Welcome to the Eden, one of the most beautiful, nature-inspired home here in Antipolo City. Tara, samahan niyo po ako. I am RV and we're inside Sun Valley Estates here in Antipolo City, and this is our beautiful home for today. So the Eden stands on a 301 square meter lot area with a floor area of 446. Open type po ang ating car garage. It can fit up to 3. Yan, maluwag to. So more or less this is 6 meters. More or less, siguro mga 7 pala, sorry. Laki nito. Kasya talaga tatlo, kahit van, pickup, tsaka kotse, sedan, kasyang-kasya po. This is an open type car garage, so parang medyo US style tayo with this amazing house. Ito naman, this is our pedestrian entrance. Yan, ang ganda, di ba? Meron pa siyang drama. So before heading to our main door, ma-appreciate muna natin kaya siya actually the Eden. Very nature inspired to. Meron tayong koi pond, and then meron din tayong waterfall design dito. And kung mapapansin nyo, ang ganda ng pagkaka-design talaga of this house. It's very, kumbaga, aesthetic pleasing and nature inspired. Tara, let's head inside. Napakaganda ng ating main door. Laki, swivel door. Yan. Welcome to your amazing house. Napakaganda po nitong bahay na to. So, upon entering, you'll have an overlooking part of your living area. Ito yun. I'll go here. Diba? Bi-level din siya, guys. Hindi siya pantay-pantay. So, merong additional drama. So, yung living area nyo tsaka receiving area will be this one. And we're surrounded by double glazed bifolding na glass doors. Lahat po yan very carefully crafted. And double glazed siya with heat and soundproof system. Napakaganda ng quality. Hindi ko nabubuk. Ayan, napakadali rin buksan. One hand. Para lang mapakita sa inyo. O, diba? Napakasarap po ng hangin. It's 3 p.m. Pero yung simoy ng hangin, natural light, natural air. Para po kayong nasa Tagaytay na, sa totoo lang. Diba? Yung breeze niya, ganda. This living area with the open deck style is more or less around 50 square meters na to, guys. So, napakaluwag, lalo pag inopen nyo siya. Yan. Pag gusto nyo lang naman, optional naman to. If you have bigger parties, pwedeng naka-open to. Para at least medyo mas maluwag yung galaw. Pero on a daily basis, pwede rin nakasarado siya. Meron naman tayong split type AC that covers this area. Pero kung gusto nyo lang ng natural air, pwedeng-pwede. You're surrounded with plants and the mountain view. Mamaya mas ma-appreciate nyo sa ating surprise. Coming from our living area, ito po ang ating napakagandang dining area na connected din sa ating kitchen. Pero let's focus on the dining area first. Ganda nito kasi interconnected siya sa ating infinity pool. So, parang indoor-outdoor living siya. So, instead of having a lanay, yung lanay mo, sobrang solid. Ang ganda, infinity pool. Let's focus there, mamaya na. Dito muna tayo. Ito talaga, parang sa palagay ko, It can really fit a 10 to 12 seater na dining table. So, pero mas maganda siguro dito, yung rectangular para ma-maximize mo yung space niya. Okay, so coming from our dining area, ito yung indoor-outdoor living na sinasabi natin. Meron din tayo dito nung bifold na double glazed. Oh, di ba? Pakita ko lang sa inyo, kahit one hand, ang galing, di ba? Oh, sarado ko na ulit, para lang mas ma-appreciate nyo. Tsaka walang maingay, di ba? Usually, kapag yung hindi masyadong maganda yung material ng bifold na ganito, maingay. May screeching sound. Ito wala. Very seamless. So, this is our lanay area. Technically, lanay siya, pero infinity pool lang nakalagay natin. Napakaganda. Ang sarap maligo, di ba? More or less to, mga 15 square meters din siguro tong pool na to. And the view. Actually, yung view yung isa sa pinakamagandang part nitong bahay na to is the serene view. Ganda. So aside from the pool, there's a viewing deck pa dito. You can really house a big party here. Talagang party yung iniisip ko no? Hindi, housewarming party naman kasi. So, meron pa tayong 4 steps down here. Ayan Dito yung parang infinity side of the pool. Ganda. Sarap maligo. Yan. Sobrang ganda ng details nitong bahay na to. Tapos yan naman yung papunta sa ating living area kanina na open deck. So, yun. Balik tayo sa loob. Before heading back inside, we just want to highlight the Bali pool tiles that they use for this amazing pool. So, para ka talagang nasa Bali yung feels mo. Ganyang view. You have a dipping pool, then the nature, then the Bali pool tiles na ginamit nila. Sobrang ganda po ng finishes natin. So, coming from there, sa ating pool area, nandito naman tayo sa ating kitchen area. Meron tayong center island, which has a lot of modular cabinets, pull-outs. Oh, diba? Hindi ka magkukulang dito. Then you can host your housewarming party dito. Kahit dito na lang nakalatag yung food nyo. Ganda. Kasya yung lechon. Yun talaga yung paborito LR's lechon, baka naman. Ayan, napakasarap. Anyway, kapag wala naman on a daily basis, pwede rin tong breakfast nook. Ayan, meron na tayong 4 na stool dyan, diba? Kung ilan yung anak nyo, kung 3, dito kayo magpe-prepare habang sinasabing, bilisan nyo mga anak, malilate na kayo. Diba? And we have a high-grade 5-burner cooktop by La Germania here. We also have the range hood, and you also have the oven here. Ang ganda. This is super nice. Then, meron pa tayong mga overhead cabinets here. Hindi kayo magkukulang. Tsaka ang kagandahan po sa ganito, it's very subtle. The colors are very subtle, very modern, diba? Gray, touch of parang stone, natural stone, diba? And then you have your side-by-side Toshiba refrigerator here. Kasama na po ito. Kasama na siya sa selling price na napakasulit. Hindi pa namin sasabihin towards the end. And aside from that, meron pa tayong service area sa likod na to. Pero meron pa tayong surprise sa inyo. Ooh. Oh, di ba? Ang galing, may pantry ka dito. Di ba? May secret sliding door ka. Pantry. Pantry cabinet. Meron pa ulit dito sa taas. Oh, ha? And then you have your coffee nook here. Dito yung mga medyo, ano ba, usually coffee nook naman yung ganito eh. Yan. So, dito nyo na ilalagay yon. Nandito yung mga, ano nyo, coffee beans. O, meron pang ganito. It's nice. Talagang pinag-isipan ang bahay na to. So, ibabalik ko na yung pagka-secret niya. Tada! This is our first bedroom or ground floor bedroom. This can also be your guest room. Wow, it's nice. Open natin. Open na pala yung lights. Yan. So, all bedrooms comes with split type AC. Even sa common area, may split type AC na din tayo. Then you have a very nice modular closet here. Diba? Ang ganda. Ganda ng pagkakagawa. This one is overlooking your 3-car garage. So, kung may senior kayo or gusto nyong gawing guest room to, pwedeng-pwede. If you have smaller kids naman, this can be their playroom. Diba? Pwede rin tayo maglagay ng TV dito. And then, this one has its own toilet and bath. Nakasusi pa. Sorry. Buksan natin. May sliding door tayo going to our toilet and bath na pwedeng magtaguan. Sobrang luwag po nito. Toilet and bath na to. And it's really carefully interior design. Napakaganda po. Para ka nasa hotel. Diba? Although kumbaga, addition that you can put is the glass enclosure para at least hindi nag-spill over while showering. Ang ganda pa nung ang pinaka-accent wall mo dito. Parang Japanese style siya. Ito parang kapareho rin ng Bali, yung Bali tiles kanina sa pool. Ang ganda. It's nice. This one is a double door toilet and bath. It's connected with your first bedroom, pero it has another door that's connected to the dining area. At least, dual purpose na siya. If you have guests, pwede na rin dito mag-toilet. Welcome to our second floor. This is our double door going to the master's bedroom. Pero mamaya na po yan. Dito muna tayo sa bedroom 2. It's nice. It's spacious. This is our bedroom 2. This is more or less around mga 23 square meters siguro. This is where your queen size bed will be located. Meron na rin tayong split type AC. And then, meron pa tayong very spacious area katapat ng inyong closet. So, pwede ka pa magkaroon ng vanity dito. If you would like. Dito siguro. Parang alanganin no? Pero maluwag siya This is more or less 2 meters. And then you have your ensuite toilet and bath. Napakaluwag naman ito. Diba? Let's appreciate the details put into the house. Napakaganda. Naka-ano pa siya. Nakahang pa. Kawalhang ang ating sink and faucet. Then this is your water closet. Meron ka pang dito, cabinet for the supplies. And then of course, your very spacious shower area. Yun lang, kailangan mo lang, syempre, glass door partition. Actually, kahit hindi na yung nabubuksan, kahit yung naka-fix na lang. Para at least, kung kalahati niya, hindi na mag-spill over yung tubig. And then you have a very spacious niche here. So, habang nag-shower niche, tapos, yung inyong shower is like sa hotel, hindi na rin expose yung, di ba usually expose yun sa shower. Ngayon, hindi na siya expose. Paganda. Pag binuksan, mababasa pa ako. Diba? Yan. This is nice. So, meron pa tayong sliding glass door going to our balcony. Ito yung ating powder-coated, double-glazed sliding glass door. Ito, ang ganda ng ano nila. Pag gusto nyo nakabukas lang natural air, meron pa rin silang screen na sliding din. Ang lamig. Sarap. Yan. Yung front part of the house, this one, sun baffles po ito. Kasi nakaharap tayo sa sunset. So, west facing ang ating house. So, pag gantong hapon, pwede siyang nakaganto. Kasi sun baffles blocks off mga 50 to 70% of the kumbaga, sun rays. Ayan. Pero yung hangin, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pasok dito sa ating balcony. Wrap around pala to. So coming from there, this is the other bedroom. Mamaya pupunta tayo dyan. Pero naka-wrap around siya. And look at your view. Oh, ganda. Diba? Oh, dun pa lang, panalo na. Sobrang tahimik, tapos gantong view. Pero nasa Antipolo ka lang, wala ka sa Tagaytay. You don't need to travel 3 hours. This sun baffles, nabubuksan po ito. So, in the morning, dahil nandun yung araw sa kabilang side, pwedeng naka-open lang to. Tsaka sa gabi, ang ganda rin naka-open lang para very, kumbaga, welcoming yung dating ng bahay. Pero during mga gantong oras, mga 3:30, 4 p.m., syempre maganda nakasarado yung sun baffles mo. Welcome to our third bedroom. May foyer pa siya. Pagpasok mo, may foyer. And then this is where your bed is gonna be. And meron pa tayong mga artist rendition. Sorry, yung kaninang bedroom natin, the bedroom 2 is more or less 26 square meters. This one's more or less mga 23. So, konti lang naman difference niya. And then you still have the big sliding glass door. Papunta rin to dun sa kaninang balcony natin. So, in-open ko lang para malamig. And then, of course, you have windows pa, openable. Oh, diba? Yung quality pa lang ng powder-coated aluminum na to, napakaganda na. Wala kang marinig na ingay. Alam mo yung scratching sound kapag binubuksan. Kaya alam mo talaga na very premium yung pagkakagawa sa kanya. Oh, pag binuksan mo yan, sarado mo lang to. Walang mosquitoes, pero yung pasok ng hangin, napakaganda. And then of course, it has its own built-in premium closet here. And then your ensuite toilet and bath. Oh, nice. This is more of a squarish toilet and bath. Pero nandito yung ating sink and faucet. Actually, lagay ko lang ng salamin dito. Para hindi lang tumatalsik. Sobrang ganda na nito. Water heater natin. Ready na tayo for multi-point water heater. Wala pa lang naka-install, pero it's, kumbaga, ready for a multi-point water heater. And of course, our main event is the master bedroom. Wow! Ganda. Ang luwag. Ang laki ng master bedroom. This is more or less 57 square meters. Kasama ang ating, saan yung toilet and bath. Ba't nawawala? Pwede ba yun? Master bedroom na walang toilet and bath. Ang ligalig. Oh, but wait, there's more. We have a very nice surprise. Ang ganda, di ba? You have the walk-in closet here on the right side. Meron pa yan dun sa left side. Oh, ang luwag. Yung mga most price watches nyo galing kay Paring Hybe, pwede dito. Yan, shoutout sa ating Paring Hybe at Paring G. Paring Cholo ng Gentry. Baka kailangan nyo ng bagong bahay. Eto na, tinatawag na kayo. And then, of course, ang ating napakagandang shower part. Ang ating bath part. Ganda nung details. Grabe. Then you have your bathtub here. This is your shower. Ayun na, nandun na sa taas, si rain shower. O, diba? Ganda na to. You have your niche here. Ito naman pang body lang natin. Medyo lang to. Medyo basain part lang. So, siguro maganda lagyan mo ng maliit na dito, yung glass. And then, of course, our water closet is here with the premium leather pa yan, diba? Ang ganda ng details. And your his and hers. Diba? Ang ganda. You have 2 mirrors na napakalaki, napakaluwag ng inyong his and her sink. Uy, nako. Ayan. Matagal di gumana kasi. Ayan. Pero the water supply is good. Nandito. And then you still have another walk-in closet here. Ito naman para kay Macy siguro to. Yan, meron tayong lalagyanan ng bags or mga shirts. Depende na sa inyo kung paano nyo aayusin. It's well lit. Napakaganda ng quality. And then, you have another secret door here. Yan, pull lang natin. Balik na tayo sa ating master bedroom. O, diba? Ang ganda. Meron siyang double door. And then, your king size bed is here. Pwede dito. No, sorry. On the other side. Your king size bed would be here. And then, your big TV will be on the other side. Diba? Ang ganda. And then, you have your own balcony. Siyempre, master bedroom yan. Ho-ho. Ho-ho. Wow. This is just 2 thumbs up pala. Kulang yung isa. Ang ganda. Diba? Before going to another surprise, I just want to highlight the very beautiful staircase with very beautiful light decor, diba? Ang ganda. Then you have plants outside, natural light. Then this is our surprise to you. Meron po tayong covered family area na / balcony na napakaluwag. Pwede pa nga gawing to parang entertainment room, diba? Pero this one's open. Open yung sides mo, pero you have roof. Diba? Ang ganda. And then, eto, connected dun sa balcony ng ating master bedroom. Diba? Ang luwag nito. Ang sarap ng hangin. Eto na. Napakaganda, guys. Quick recap lang tayo, guys, for this amazing 4-bedroom home here in Sun Valley Estates in Antipolo City. The Eden stands on a 301 square meter lot area with a floor area of 447. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath. You have a separate staff room and own toilet and bath also. And you have 3 car garage. You also have this amazing infinity pool right beside your dining area. So the asking price for this amazing property is just 48 million pesos. And it's negotiable. You check the property first para ma-appreciate nyo po yung ganda ng property. So, if you have more questions, please contact us on the numbers below. You can also follow us on our social media pages, Realty PH and I Am Realtor RV. This one focuses on properties and the other one focuses on real estate videos like hacks and tips on buying and selling real estate. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat and see you on the next one. Peace.